Hi everyone! Are you looking for a way to create a modern terrace that combines design with top-tier quality? Let me introduce the MARLO Louvered Pergola. It features a solid construction made of powder-coated aluminum with an Akzo Nobel finish. What sets it apart? Most importantly, it has no visible connectors, which provides a stunning, seamless aesthetic. The quality is backed by an Intertech certificate, and stability is ensured by posts with a cross-section of 116 by 116 millimeters. The model is available in several colors and sizes, from 3 up to 6 meters. You can install it as a freestanding structure or choose the wall-mounted or transverse version. The entire system is fully weather-resistant, with both manual and fully electric drive options. The roof consists of aluminum louvers that rotate up to 135 degrees, controlled by a convenient crank or electronically. This allows you to precisely control the amount of sunlight. Crucially, the pergola features integrated floor slats with water drainage and is factory-ready for LED lighting installation. Want more? You can upgrade your MARLO with glass sliding walls, screen blinds, or shutter panels. It's a complete system that will transform your garden into a luxury outdoor living room. Check out the MARLO model and enjoy relaxation without compromise. We begin the installation by preparing the structural posts. Attach the base to each support column. Each base is equipped with a special cover cap that aesthetically masks the mounting hardware. Repeat this process for all supports. The next step is to assemble the so-called first frame. It consists of 2 pre-equipped supports and a long crossbeam. Once these elements are bolted together and the first frame is positioned, prepare and install the second frame in the same manner. When both frames are standing securely, connect them using the short cross beams. Note that the beams feature integrated gutters and water drains located around the entire perimeter of the structure, ensuring effective drainage. Once the skeleton is assembled, we proceed to the roof installation. Insert the aluminum louvers individually into the designated spots on the structure. After placing the louvers, install the crank mechanism, which controls the lead louver. Install the remaining cover caps to mask the crossbeam connections. To ensure the louvers work synchronously, install the connecting rod, linkage. It connects all roof elements, allowing for rotation and smooth adjustment of the tilt angle. Finally, install the masking strips by sliding them in from the top of the structure. They hide the technical components, giving the pergola an elegant and aesthetic look. The final touch is inserting the crank into the control mechanism. The mounting feet must be securely bolted to the ground. It is best to do this before installing the roof louvers. Visit shopsun.eu, where you will find a wide selection of pergolas, awnings, and sunshades perfectly tailored to your needs.